Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a few questions based on circular tracks. So let us begin. So the first question says that on a circular track of length 1800 meters, x and y start from the same point simultaneously with the speeds of 36 kmph and 45 kmph. So the first thing is that we are going to convert these into meter per second. So this 36 will be equal to, let's write it here. 36 is going to be equal to 2 into 5, that is 10 meters per second. Whereas 45 is going to be equal to 12.5 meters per second, I guess. 45 into 5 by 18. Yes, 12.5 meters per second. Find the minimum time after which they will meet if they are running in the same direction. So, minimum time after they meet. So, that means we are talking about the first meet. Okay. So, for first meet, we know we have the formula of L divided by A minus B because they are running in the same direction. Okay, so that means L is 1800 whereas A minus B is 2.5. So the time taken will be 1800 divided by 2.5. The answer gives us 720 seconds. Okay, so come to the second one. In the second one, they are running in opposite direction. That means that it will be L divided by A plus B. So it will be 1800 divided by 22.5. Okay, so 1800 divided by 22.5 would give me 80 seconds. So these are the answer for the first two questions. First both the parts of the first question. Now let us move towards the second question. The second question says that on a circular track of length 1200 meter, PQR starts simultaneously from same point with speeds 18, 27 and 36. So 18 will be written as 5 meter per second, 27 as 7.5 meters per second, whereas 36 will be written as 10 meter per second. Okay, now you can take a pair of any two because they start from same point and they are running in the same direction. Find the minimum time after they will meet if they are running in the same direction. So the minimum time after they are going to meet is what has been asked to us. So the first thing what we are going to do is see, you can take the LCM of any one, that is you can take a pair of A minus B. Three pairs are there, A minus B, B minus C and A minus C. So these are the three pairs which we have. You can take any two pairs and find the LCM with the way you have I have told you in the previous video. So that means I'm taking A minus B and B minus C. So what we have to do is we have to find the LCM of L divided by A minus B and L divided by B minus C. So let's find that. So LCM of 1 divided by A minus B, you can take this one as A and A minus B is going to give me 2.5. Whereas this one is also, sorry, not 1. 1200 divided by 2.5 and this one is also going to be 1200 divided by 2.5. Okay, because this is B minus C. Okay, take it in any order. Let's say this one is A, this one is B, this one is C. So what is going to happen is this one is A, that is A minus B. So 7.5, 10 minus 7.5, this will be 2.5. And then B minus C, that is 7.5 minus 5, that is 2.5 again. Okay, so let's do this. So the LCM is going to be equal to 1200 divided by 2.5. So LCM of 480 and 480 is going to be equal to 480 itself. So that means the answer is 480 seconds. That means after 480 seconds they are going to meet for the first time when they are running in the same direction. So this is how we do questions based on circular tracks. So with this, a complete theory portion for TSD is complete. There will be some different types of questions asked in examination. So we will practice that. So you can join our Facebook group for practicing those questions. So thanks for watching the video, guys, and thank you.